High in the nest, little Pip dreamed of flying with his family.
But the ground looked so far away, so frightening. Pip tried once, twice, but fear held his wings tight.
Then came Whisper, the kind meadow wind who saw Pip struggle.
"Surely feel me lift you," Whisper whispered. "Trust, don't fight." Pip felt the wind beneath his wings for the very first time. Higher, farther, Pip was flying, short but real. But Mama called from far across the valley. Pip had to reach her. With one big, brave leap, Pip trusted the wind completely. He was flying! Really flying! The sky was his home.
Pip found his family, his wings, and his courage.
And so little Pip became the bravest bird in the sky.